Hello, everybody. My name is Coach Shane, and welcome to Easy English Expressions. Come on, let's master English.
Hello, everybody. Welcome back to the Daily Easy English Expression, the podcast. It's the Christmas season, right? And I don't know. What's your opinion? In your country, what is Christmas? If you celebrate, you might not celebrate. That's cool, whatever. But in America, we do celebrate. So is Christmas a family holiday or is it a friend holiday, right? I used to live in Korea, and I was always so surprised Christmas was a friend holiday. Yeah, friends would get together. But in the U.S., it's very much a family holiday, very family holiday. And when I was young, I really loved going to my grandparents' house, and all the relatives are there, the aunts and uncles, grandma and grandpa, the cousins. It was so much fun. And my style at the time was everybody is great. My style now, I want to be alone. Today's expression, my old style. The more, the merrier. Check out the dialogue. Oh, my friend is here. I'm going to go over there.
No, bring your friend over. The more, the merrier.
She's shy. Maybe next time.
Ooh, a girlfriend. Have fun.
Yeah, that's true. Imagine you're with a friend, maybe a couple of friends at a restaurant or a bar or a park, wherever, somewhere, and then you see that woman or you see that guy that you're interested in. Ooh, yeah. Some people like to bring that person to the group, but other people like to leave the group and go be with that other person. What are you? The more, the merrier? Is that good for you, or do you prefer to, be alone with somebody? The more, the merrier. M-E-R-R-Y, like Merry Christmas. M-E-R-R-Y, Merry Christmas. Merrier, M-E-R-R-I-E-R. The dialogue, oh, my friend is here. I'm going to go over there to where she is. And the guy says, no, bring your friend over. Bring her over here. The more, the merrier. The more people we have at our table, the better it is. The more fun it is. It's like a party. It's great. And the other guy says, she's shy. Maybe next time. And the other guy says, oh, she's shy? Really? Oh, a girlfriend. Do. Have fun. It's funny how we change. Once again, when I was younger, I'm not joking, the more the merrier. I really loved the more the merrier. And then as I got into my 30s, that was less the case. The more the merrier, that just meant a headache, too much work, exhausting. And now I'm in my 50s. Oh, man. All by myself. I want to be all by myself. What about you? It is the holiday season. Of course, the biggest holiday of the year is coming on December 22nd. That is my birthday. And then there's another holiday. It's called Christmas. That's December 25th. Boxing Day in Canada is, I think, the UK too, December 26th. Then there's New Year's Eve, December 31st, and New Year's Day. Lots of stuff happening. Different religions also have different holidays. So are you the more the merrier person or the fewer the better person? I think for me, for sure, the fewer the better. Anyway, happy holidays to you. My sincere love and best wishes to you. I want you to have a fantastic December. And, of course, think of me on December 22nd. All right, check out the dialogue 2 more times. And together, let's master English. Oh, my friend is here. I'm going to go over there.
No, bring your friend over. The more the merrier.
She's shy. Maybe next time.
Ooh, a girlfriend. Have fun.
Oh, my friend is here. I'm going to go over there.
No, bring your friend over. The more the merrier.
She's shy. Maybe next time.
Ooh, a girlfriend. Have fun.